What up, guys? Back with the second of 3 videos. Next, we're going to do the top strata football. New. Just came to my Walmart probably today or yesterday. Wasn't there on Sunday, so must just gotten it in. So we're going to see what happens. I saw the hobby version is really nice, so hopefully we have luck with this. You get 8 packs per box. You're not guaranteed anything. Hopefully we get something though. So we got our bonus pack empty. Alright. 6 cards per pack, so 8 packs. None of them are thick. So we're just hoping for an autograph. These aren't as thick as the hobby, I think. Dwayne Bowe, DeMarcus Ware. Those are base cards. We've already seen them. Duro Rivas, Tony G, first pack. Oh, yeah. Double rookie, Mohamed Sanu and Robert Griffin. Oh, the third. Card 1 in the set. That was my bonus pack. Now it can only go... now it's... can't go wrong anymore. Jeremy Macklin, Rob Gronkowski, Mike Wallace, Troy Polamalu, Kendall Wright, and Kobe Fleener rookies. 2 rookies per pack. Julio Jones, see, Victor Cruz, Jimmy Graham, Randy Moss, nice Doug Martin and Tannehill. Rookies, I think there's rookie variations, I don't know. That Tannehill is the second variation I've seen of that card, so I don't know. Willis McGahee, Aaron Hernandez, Beanie Wells, Brandon Marshall, Dante Hightower, and David Wilson are the rookies. So, pretty good box so far. Michael Crabtree, Eli Manning, Carson Palmer, Michael Vick, Justin Blackman, and A.J. Jenkins. Rookie cards. Cameron Newton, Ryan Matthews, Jason Witten. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be bullying me. Oh, my heart dropped. My heart dropped. Quentin Coples and Harrison Smith. Redemption. Base rookie auto of T.Y. Hilton. Oh my god. Sick. For a second I thought it was like a Robert Griffin or something. Oh my god, my heart dropped. Oh, sick. We got 2 packs left. Sickness. Oh my god. Tim Tebow, Aaron Foster, Frank Gore, Wes Welker, Morris Claiborne, and Mark Barron. Man, what a box. Adrian Peterson, Greg Jennings. Good look at that outfit. Looks like bad. Miles Austin, Steve Smith, Brian Quick, and LaMichael James. Oh my god, I can't believe we actually got an autograph the day after Christmas. Yeah, a late Christmas present for me. Only my 3rd redemption ever. Man, sick. T.Y. Hilton, pretty good player though. Colts are doing good. So we got a T.Y. Hilton rookie auto and a Robert Griffin rookie card. Man, that's awesome. That's a base rookie auto. The base rookie autos are 1 in 41 packs. So they're not the most uncommon thing, but sick. See ya.